Now we are doing section and midpoint formula. Before that, we will consider some diagrams to explain what is section and midpoint formula. Suppose if I draw a line, say I name it A and B. This is A and this is B. Suppose point P divides AB in the ratio m:n. If I take the coordinate of A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, and P as, suppose if I write px and py, then coordinate of px will be equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. For y coordinate of p, we will write my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. And if I want to find the midpoint formula, suppose this is line, say AB, I'll mark this properly, say this is B, and suppose M is its midpoint. Then if I write this as x1, y1, and if this is mx, my, and if I say this is x2, y2, then I can write the formula for mx as x1 plus x2 upon 2, and for y it is y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this is the midpoint formula and section formula. Just go through these two formula, 1 and 2. Write down in your notebook, learn it by heart. Then we will start with exercise. Now we will start with first sum. Calculate the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining A. Suppose this is line segment, A given as 1, 3 and B given as 5, 9. They are asking the coordinate of P which divides this in the ratio 1:2. It means we have to find Px and Py. Formula for Px will be equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and for y it is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now what is m? M, I will show you what is m. This is m and this is n. So you write down the formula for m as 1 into x2. Now what is x1, y1, x2, y2? This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Now m into x2, 1 into 5 plus, what is n? N is 2 into x1. What is x1? 1 upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. Solve this. 5 plus 2 upon 3, this will be 7 upon 3. Now solve for y. For y, what is m? 1. What is y2? 9. N is 2. What is y1? 3 upon m plus n. So after solving, 9 plus 6 upon 3, this is 15 upon 3. Therefore that is equals to 5. Therefore coordinates of P will be 7 upon 3 and 5. Now second sum. This second sum, what they are asking, A is minus 4 and 6. B is 3 and minus 5. And P is in the ratio 3:2. This is Px, this is Py. Now Px will be equals to, now this is m, this is n. And if I write x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So what will be the formula for x? It will be, Px will be equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And similarly for Py, it will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. After solving, you get Px as, now what is m? 3. What is x2? X2 is also 3. What is n? 2. What is x1? It is minus 4 upon m plus n, that is 3 plus 2. px equals to 3 3 is 9 minus 8 upon 5. So px is 1 upon 5. Now solve for py. Now we will solve for y. For py I will write my2 3 into minus 5 plus n into y1 2 into 6 upon m plus n, that is 3 plus 2. Solve this, you will get minus 15 plus 12 upon 5. Py will be equals to minus 3 upon 5. Therefore coordinates of p will be 1 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. So just go through these two sums, then we will move on to next sum. Pause the video, copy these sums in your notebook. Now in this sum, what they are asking, in what ratio is the line joining 2, minus 3 and 5, 6 divided by x-axis? For this I need to draw a line to explain you. I will draw a line. Let this point be A, this B, and in what ratio? Suppose this point is P and it is cut by x-axis, means this point will be px and 0. X coordinate will be the value, will have some value, and y coordinate will be 0 because it is cut by x-axis. If it is y-axis, then you will write 0 py for y-axis. But here it is mentioned x-axis, therefore I will erase this and write px 0. What is A now? A is 2 and minus 3. What is B now? 5 and 6. Then they are asking ratio. I will write ratio m and n. Now what is the formula for section formula? Now section formula I will use the value 0 because with the help of this 0 I can find m and n. So I will write 0 equals to m into, this is for y, 0 is at y place, so I will write the formula for y coordinate, m into y2 plus n into, I'll write the formula first to make you understand. Let me write the formula. Px equals to my2 plus mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and for y it is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now what will be the way? We will use y because here it is 0. So with the help of 0 I can find the coordinate. So it will be 0 equals to m into y2. y2 is 6 and y1, n into y1. y1 is minus 3 upon m plus n. Now this m plus n will come here and multiply by 0. 0 into m plus n will be 0. This will be 6m minus 3n. 0 equals to 6m minus 3n. So I will write minus 6m equals to minus 3n. M upon n will be equals to 3 upon minus 6. M upon n will be equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, they have asked in what ratio. Therefore, the ratio is 1:2. If I say find the coordinate of P, if I add the question, find coordinate of P, then what you will do? I will write formula for Px. Px will be equals to mx2. We know that Px will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. I have already written the formula here also, this. So what will be this value now? Px is not known. M is known. Now m is 1. I'll write with the red pen. M is 1. M is 1 and n is 2. So I'll write the formula. Px equals to m into x2. What is x2? This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So 1 into x2, that is 5, plus n, what is n? 2, into what is x1? x1 is 2, upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. Px will be equals to 5 plus 4 upon 3, which is another 9 upon 3. This will be 3. Therefore, Px is 3. Therefore, to write the answer as coordinate of P, so I will write P's coordinate will be 3 and 0. So, this is the answer for sum number 2. Just go through the sum, pause the video, note it down in your notebook and solve it step by step.